Hello everyone, I'm here at Taj Citadel Horizon and since I'm here, I thought I'll take you some of the details about this property, about the rooms, the distance from airport, how beautiful is this property, what are the various amenities you get and some of the hacks that other videos would not be able to share with you because we have been here in Goa for a long time and it's been almost a lot of five stars that we have visited, but there are certain things, unique things about this property which I would like to share with you. So first and foremost, look at the amazing view where I'm standing. This is a smaller pool area in the property. They have multiple pools and one of the place where I'm standing is a pool area, and then from there you get this beautiful view of Arabian Sea. Since this property is located at a little hillside, you get to get this view from top. All right, so coming from the beginning, Taj Citadel, Goa. This is actually located 26 to 30 kilometers away from Debolim Airport, and this is almost like a 45 minutes ride, and it's located in Panjim, north side of Goa, which is at the center, and you get a lot of places to hang about near this place, but you wouldn't wish to. Why? I'll tell you. Because this has two adjacent properties, Taj Citadel. One is your Taj Citadel Horizon, where we are right now, and there is another property just adjacent to the gate, which is Taj Citadel Heritage. They both are having different unique peculiarities. Taj Citadel Heritage has sort of garden balcony view rooms, and it is low at the lower landscape. Whereas Taj Citadel Horizon is at a hillside, and you get this beautiful, stunning view from here. They have multiple pools, as I said. They have a Tatva spa. They share their amenities actually, because it's the same sister property, so they share their amenities. Taj Citadel Heritage is a place where you get the private beach area because it's at the lower landscape, of course. So any person at any point in time can call for a shuttle, which is complimentary, and you can go and enjoy the amenities of Taj Citadel Heritage, which I said, like a private pool which is just 5 minutes away, and that pool also has a 800-meter private beach, and you can enjoy the beach area for the residents. They have multiple restaurants. We would be sharing more details about all of those in the later part of the video. So here is our room, the luxury sea view room. It's one of the most premium category of rooms. Its number is 1523. It starts with a washroom which is quite spacious. It has a nice bathtub and a washroom and a bathroom. And the best part is the shower gel and other products that they give are from Forest Essentials, which is one of the premium brands. And I love this. Outside the washroom, you have, so just overlook the mess that you're going to see because I have two infants with me and they give you a complimentary baby stroller for them. So we have this small wardrobe where you can place stuff. I haven't used it, but you can effectively use this and you can keep your stuff here outside. And there is a tea making place over here. Mini bar is also there. And then we have a big, huge king bed where three people can easily accommodate, and a dedicated bed for a small infant who is sleeping peacefully right now. And this is the best part of the room, which is why it's a premium classroom. So this is a luxury room which is having a sea view. You can sit over here, sip on a nice tea, and you can have this beautiful view from here. And this curtains actually operates with just click of a button. So they have modern technology. You just have to put the close curtain and the curtains will close. And then you just have to put open curtains and the curtains would open. So from the view of the window, you can see down beautiful hotel, which is the Taj Citadel Heritage. It's a older hotel than Taj Citadel Horizon. And as I said, it is located at a lower landscape, which is why it's possible for them to have a private beach access, which is also available for, by the way, Horizon residents. So it's a beautiful view. They have some multiple pools over here. From top, you can see it looks amazing. And then the private beach, they have water sports activities, which is operated till 5 to 6 p.m. You can anytime go and do the water sports activities down over there, which is on a chargeable basis. And I just love this view because when I get up from the morning and just look outside, as I said, with a click of a button, I just open the curtains and see this beautiful sea. So this is one of the most beautiful part of this hotel, and this is basically the rooftop bar come restaurant come pool come sunbeds whatnot over here, which is you can see the view, right? It's again one more infinity pool of this hotel, which gives overviews of the sea. And there are a lot of sunbeds over here for people to just relax. You can occupy the sunbed right in the morning and sit here and enjoy your beer with your loved one and have an amazing time. They also have a dedicated DPB, which is the bar, which operates till 2 a.m. in the night, and it is completely blue in interior and it's very beautiful. Let me show you that bar. By the way, I promised you I'll give you some hacks about this property, right? So, if you have some friends and family members who are staying outside this hotel, uh, you can actually get them here, occupy some of the sunbeds, and with no additional cost you can enjoy a nice small family time or a fun time with your friends, even though they are not staying here in the property, but still you can enjoy the amenities with them, especially of this floor, which is the best part. And you just have to pay the food and beverage charges. So you don't see the blue light right now because it's sunny and it's daytime, but in the evening it looks absolutely stunning. And it's completely 360-degree panoramic view of the Arabian Sea from this bar. So this is my favorite part at any of the 5 stars because this allows me to get some me time and enjoy, and the kids also enjoy in their own way. Which is the children club. In any 5 star they have, and every 5 star has their own different way of managing it. Over here they have the common thing, which is like your play work, your art and craft with paper and sketching, coloring. I'll give you a glimpse about it, and then I'll share you the more extended part of the children club in the later video. Please come. So here comes the extended part which I was talking about, which is my daughter's favorite, and this is the rabbit and geese feeding, which not a lot of the 5 stars manage, and they manage it quite effectively because the rabbits here are roaming freely, and you can catch them, hold them, feed them, and same as the geese. So it feels amazing, and as I said, kids would love it. So I left my daughter here. She was enjoying. She was having a great time, and this is why I love Taj Citadel Horizon, especially for this part. I'm not able to catch rabbit, but I saw some rabbits, freely roaming in this place. You can see one here, by the way, not in the cage. A beautiful rabbit that side. So they just roam here freely, and it's beautiful. The one here. So this is a fitness club of Taj Satare Horizon. It operates from morning 9 to night 10, and it has all the machineries and everything. Let me just show you once. It has all the cardio cycling and everything that you have. And like every gym, this also has have certain rules and etiquette that you have to be in your gym wear, etc. And they have detox water, wet towels, some fruits. So this is the bar which is adjacent to the multi-cuisine restaurant in Taj Citadel Horizon. It has again one of the best views. As you can see here, it's right on the terrace from where you can sit peacefully with absolutely no noise coming in, and look at this beautiful view. It's very, very, very beautiful. I can stay for the whole day looking at this beautiful sea. So this is the lower deck pool. It's kind of an infinity pool, which is one adult attached to the kids pool. And this is beautiful because right from the pool you can have this amazing view of the Arabian Sea. And by the way, I wanted to let you know the beach which it is associated, Taj Citadel, is the Wanganum beach. It is also one of the beautiful beaches in Goa. So here we are at the lobby of Taj Citadel Horizon, and as I enter, I can see beautiful live music that's been played. It gets played especially during the weekend and alternate days, sometimes based on the guest pull. This is decorated in the Christmas theme because we are right now in the Christmas time, and they have kept it for New Year as well. There's a beautiful Christmas tree and some gifts decoration at the back. And also there is something very beautiful here, which is the winter snowland kind of theme celebration. Let me show you. See, beautiful snowman. This is so beautiful. This is like the gingerbread decoration with some snow around, and very beautiful. It takes you to the childhood time and gives you a glimpse of how it would be celebrated, in the fancy winter snowland. And coming to the restaurant, which is adjacent to this decoration, this is your B&B restaurant, which is multi-cuisine restaurant. It operates with breakfast and your buffet dinner and lunch. And this is a beautiful Santa Claus. So we are having our lunch here at the restaurant, which is overlooking the sea, and we are gonna have our nice time here because I can see its beautiful view. And while looking at the sea, I'm gonna enjoy my lunch and share more updates about how the food is, etc. After having a sumptuous lunch which covered your rava potato, tandoori gobi, and the crispy chili baby corn, pasta, Alfredo pasta, and then lovely kofte ki sabzi, dal, chawal, and all sorts of main course, and then the lovely desserts which covered your gulab jamun, the muffins, and amazing firni that they prepared, and your cheesecakes. I am now taking a stroll on my body and relaxing over here with this amazing stunning view at my back. And I would suggest that even if you can't afford to stay at Taj Citadel, please come over here for a lunch or a dinner and enjoy this amazing view with this peaceful environment. and I would recommend to come over a weekend because over a weekend the menu is more extended and they have live music and other stuff. So please come over here and enjoy the dinner because I'm just loving my lunch here. So we are heading towards the private beach of Taj Chitade and let's see how beautiful it is. We get a complimentary shuttle from the hotel itself, which is where we are seated in, and this will take us to the private beach. So now we are heading towards the private beach. Just got down from our shuttle. Here we are at Taj Satade Heritage. Let's check with them. How do we head towards the beach area? Okay. Okay, thank you. All right. Let's. Wow. They are playing some nice guitar. Wow, this looks amazing. As we step down towards the beach, I can already see the sea view from here. Unlike the view from horizon, which is at a higher level, this is a little at the low level, but it looks beautiful with the sunset. This is the pool that we saw from our window, and this is where we are now. We saw a view right from there from our room window, and I showed you the pool which was there from Taj Heritage property while showing you the beach area. Now we are seeing the same view from the lower landscape, and now we are heading towards the beach, and I'll show you the wonderful beach of Taj Sitade's property. It's a little watery over here, so we need to be careful. All right, here we are. Some water sports activities are going on as we were seeing from top. Some boat ride, scooter ride, etc. And now, oh, this wonderful, beautiful, cute little dog is also enjoying his time on the beach. First, we are going to do some water sports activities now. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to capture the same, but I will definitely share the rates and costing about the same with you once I get back to my room in the hotel. And we'll share more details about what happened in the beach after this. After having a refreshing drink here, seeing the beach, I want to show you there are certain outdoor games here, which is the archery, your basketball, and your shooting. Kids come and enjoy over here, and they also have a nice view of the beach and the sea while playing. And this is a small lawn here where they have placed these outdoor games. I'm so excited and lucky to witness this moment. In Taj Saturday Horizon today, the Chief President Draupadi Murmu, she arrived and we witnessed that moment. It was great celebration that was going on, and you can see the crowd behind me, all the police officers, commissioners, the media people, and all the necessary bodyguards. Everyone was there, and it was a great celebration. They did some sort of dance moment and all of that, and I'm so excited till today. Can you see? You see? She's perfect. So it's a Saturday evening and it's my second day in Taj Citadel Horizon and I'm here to have my dinner. I want to quickly take you through this Saturday dinner. It's a exclusive dinner that they have in a week and it has a wholesome spread and I'm quite impressed about it. Let me show you this. This is the main attraction for me, chaat counter. It has pani puri, chola tikki chaat. These are some sort of salads. Not some, there are too many. Come, I'll show you something more. So here is another section which has all the salads and sushi. There's a special kids counter as well, which serves the cheese balls and vegetable Manchurian noodles. Interesting, isn't it? So whenever you come to Taj Citadel Horizon, ensure you come on a Saturday. I wasn't aware, this was a surprise for me and I loved it. So let me show you something most interesting. And this is the live station counter. It's like amazing because you get all the pav bhaji, keema pav. It's like a chapati, mini chapati in a 5-star. And the feeling of and the vibe of this place itself is like a chapati in itself. So this is a feast on Goan flavors. It means it has all the Goan delicacies. And this is another something very interesting, doodle. It tastes little weird, but it's a different dish here. And then they have the non-veg and vegetarian main course spread, other than and on top of what we saw there. So I think there might be some 100 dishes today to try. I am just trying and trying and trying. My stomach is full, but I'm not over it. And here there is a grill station as well. So they have made a mini grill station. Yes, baby. And this is a momos. She loved it.
Do you know where the other trainer places are?
You loved it too.
Do you know where the other trainer places?
So.
Green dress and the green brown baggers and left and choose. Every glorious song. The Lord is right.
So I'm just done with my breakfast now and ready for the checkout. Before leaving, I thought I'll share my thoughts with you regarding my stay with Taj Citadel. My stay was all over very pleasant and nice. It's just that this is sold out right now because of the festive season and also maybe because the president had arrived as I shared with you. So there were a lot of guests and it is difficult for them to kind of manage that. So I give them that benefit of doubt. But the service could have been better. Whereas the food was amazing. It's a paradise for the vegetarians because there are a lot of options, hell lot of options, and everything that they prepared was really delicious and up to the mark. Housekeeping could have been a little better, as I said. Then I give them benefit of doubt because of the a lot of guests around. But still, I felt there is some sort of a miss in the cleaning of room and other stuff. All over the stay was very pleasant for food lovers, for nature lovers, for people who love to see the beach and sea. I would say this is a very good place. Whereas they could do a little bit on the housekeeping side and stuff.
Round and round, round and round, round and round. The sun about to go round and round, all around. One sun about to go, one sun about to go, all day long. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and his farmer left the E-I-E-I-O. Falling down, falling down, falling down, and the bitch is rolling down. My lady, leading up with iron bars, iron bars, iron bars, leading up with iron bars. My lady, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and his farmers that's got to E-I-E-I-O.